Hi, good morning, Alex here, celebrating with the customers, subscribers. Tesla, for the first time in history, $1 trillion market cap, no surprises whatsoever. But equally important, this was accomplished on a day that Tesla released news along with Hertz, the company that I announced on YouTube for members that they were going to make their first $1 million by following my instructions. And they didn't need anything else, although they got everything from myself, including Cloudflare, Blackstone, Avis, I don't know, and so many to invest in. That quite frankly, it is, absurd the level of profits that people are reporting, those that obviously they follow the instructions. Having said this, precisely, we are celebrating. This is a market milestone, and it follows up my upgrade or reiteration of a strong buy rating in 2019, when 100% of Americans, they were bearish Tesla, downgrading the stock to single digits. We jumped in, referring to those events as fraud, a clear sign of a fraud, including the Securities Exchange Commission. And therefore, we wrote many articles on the autonomous trading blog referring to this matter. And I announced then later on the strategy pedal to the metal, making available the highest price target in the world, investing in Tesla. On a Ludicrous mode, I'm referring to maximum position sizing and explaining that Tesla could not ever be compared, for example, to even my calls for 30,000% profit on other companies, like the case of NIO, and therefore also abandoning or selling or downgrading NIO, but remaining with a positive strong buy rating outlook for Tesla on a long-term basis. Having said this, I always appear in the most difficult moments, namely recently, 3 months ago or so, once again, when some analysts in Wall Street, they were downgrading Tesla. I jumped in and I announced the bottom within the range $550, to be more precise, $547 to $580, reiterating once again a strong buy rating. So in the past couple of years, you find over 1,000 calls in telling you to invest in Tesla, and you find hundreds of reiterations, strong buy rating, precisely in Tesla, the company that I announced to be 2 years ago, in my personal opinion, better investment than Apple, although we remained with a strong buy rating also in the case of Apple, announcing here another button recommending to buy millions of shares in March 2020, announcing it in real time on the autonomous trading blog, precisely once again when all these American fraudsters, they were talking about the end of the world, the pandemic, and so on. We were jumping in and recommending to invest in the stock market, in technology, biotechnology, electrical vehicles, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so on. So this is a natural consequence of those that they follow the rules, follow the instructions, without the need to, for example, to think about price targets which are completely misleading, or others' opinions, because if you were going ever to invest in a company called Tesla or any other stock by following others' opinions about price targets and so on, you will not ever profited from Tesla $8 all the way up to $5,000 as of today. So celebrating live on the tape, $1 trillion market cap in strong buy rating. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm going to talk about other stocks.